first of all, open up GarageBand 09. Also, check out my other videos if right now you're getting an error. Create a song, then open it. It will look something like this. Get any song from your iTunes library. I'm just going to click one that I randomly downloaded and just put it in there. Okay, so once you've got it in there, all you have to do is go to Share, Send ringtone to iTunes. Click Adjust, it will adjust it, then click Share again and Send ringtone to iTunes. Once it's gone to iTunes, it will start playing. Like I said, you can have any song. So thank you. This has been a short tutorial on how to get a ringtone for iTunes without paying. Okay, thank you, and this has been Linkin Park, the best 97.